Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, November 6th. The Zen story today is titled The Fox That Asked for Tea. One afternoon, the monk placed two cups on the porch. He didn't know why. Perhaps a gesture to the forest. Perhaps habit. The cup sat opposite his own, steam rising quietly, curling into the air like a question left unanswered. The fox approached without hurry, paused at the step, looked at the cup, then at the monk, then back to the cup. It sat. The monk poured. The fox dipped its paw in the tea, then licked it. Its face twisted as if it had been bitten into something far too honest. It walked off. The next day, the monk added a sprig of mint. The fox sniffed it, sneezed, and left without even a glance. Ginger, mushrooms, a sliver of honey bark, each day a new offering. Each day the fox came, tasted, and left unsatisfied. Once it yawned. Once it curled up next to the cup and napped, untouched. The monk began to enjoy the ritual, not the success, not the tea, but the attempt itself. Then, one grey morning, tired and unsure, he offered only warm water. The fox drank the entire thing, sat a while, longer than usual. It didn't look at him, didn't look away. When it finally left, it knocked over the monk's cup with its tail. The monk didn't mind. He picked up the empty cup and drank what wasn't there. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light. And then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Is there a ritual you enjoy, even if it doesn't bring your intended results? And how do you feel when your offering finally gets accepted? Is there a ritual you enjoy, even if it doesn't bring the intended results? And how do you feel when your offering finally gets accepted? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Is there a ritual you enjoy, even if it doesn't bring you intended results? And how do you feel when your offering finally gets accepted? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.